Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Vans. Today I'm featuring a brand new Ram ProMaster that's been upfitted with a rear entry ramp in the back here. So this is primarily built for mobility purposes, but we also have sold quite a few of these in the past for business type use for transporting packages, dollies, things like that. But definitely a great mobility vehicle as well. It's on the all-new 2022 Ram ProMaster chassis, which I'll go into the changes when we get up front there. But we'll kind of start in the back here. All the mobility upfit on this, which includes the hydraulic Ram suspension decompression there. If you notice here, the back is lowered because it's got two hydraulic rams to lower the back end to allow for a gentler approach for the ramp, so it's not so steep to push a chair up or drive a chair up into. So everything, again, mobility related, is backed by a 3-year 3-year unlimited mile warranty on all the mobility equipment. And then the chassis has a full factory warranty on it. So, yep, 36-inch wide aluminum ramp. It's got these little circle cutouts, which makes it slip resistant. I like that compared to like painting it with some type of slip resistant, because this will always be slip resistant and a lot better use there. It's got two hydraulic filled, gas filled struts here. That's going to aid you in raising and lowering this ramp so it's not so heavy for you. Now the floor of this van is equipped with the link system here. This allows for you to hook in your securements for your wheelchairs anywhere along here. Also allows for these 4 seats that we have to be removed or moved anywhere inside of this van. Has spots for up to 4 wheelchairs in these, and you got the shoulder strap lap belts or shoulder strap belts here for them. And it comes with 2 sets of the securement devices. These are the Q-strength securement devices. These will secure your chair in all 4 corners. It has the lap belt in this box as well. And this keeps your chair from moving around when you don't want it to. If you're not sure what those are, just think fancy ratchet straps. So, and then it does come with 4 individual seats here with their own seat belt. Again, these can be removed or moved in any configuration. We got 3 of them put together here. Again, these are individual, so if you want to take any of these out or move any of them, you surely can. Also, the interior has all been finished out. It's got nice LED lighting in here, so the walls, everything's been finished out, insulated and sound dampened. And then we've got rear heat and air conditioning controls back here. So the back of this van is climate controlled, which no Ram ProMasters come like that from the factory, so it's nice to have this aftermarket. It's a nice complete system. Another reason why a lot of businesses like this. So, all right, let's go ahead and exit out the side door here, and we will show you the rest of the van. It's got the running board here for the side door and passenger door. Help you get in nice and safely. And I'm going to go ahead and button this up and show you how this system works. It's got 2 handles here. It's easy to do. It's bifolding. And I'm just doing it with one arm, and I don't go to the gym too often, so I'm not very strong. So if you're worried about that, I don't think you have to be too concerned. And then as you close the doors, watch the van. The van will actually raise. See the van coming up? When you close this door, it'll pop up the rest of the way. So it itself raises when you close the doors. And it's got a hitch back here with wiring, so if you do want to tow something, you surely can. Now to lower the van, there's a button back here on this side pillar, right above the 12-volt power. You just hold that button down, and the van will lower. Easy as that. But the doors have to be opened in order for that to work. So if the door's open, you can watch the van's going down. It's getting closer to my foot. So pretty cool. And then once you close the doors, up it'll go. All right. Got window tint on the back windows here. You can see out of them, but you can't see in from the outside, which makes it nice. Big van. What customers really like about these vans, they're front wheel drive, so they do good in all weather type conditions. And they got a great turning radius. So if you're in tight parking lots, neighborhoods, things like that, they got a great turning radius. Good fuel economy, got a V6 in it, 3.6 liter. And then a brand new transmission this year. So they went from like a 4-speed or 5-speed to, I think it's an 8-speed now. So it gets better fuel economy. a little bit smoother ride. It's got leather seats in it. The chassis now has been upgraded with some nice options for 2022. So inside we notice a lot of changes. We've got a spot now for a phone. This is actually a wireless charger for the phone. This particular Ram ProMaster is really equipped well. It's got the 10.1-inch touchscreen radio with factory navigation and AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. So all 3 radio stations. Backup cameras built into that. And we got a bird's eye view and several back views and even a front view, 2 front views. Pretty cool, huh? And on top of that, it's got the digital rear view mirror, and you can change that to just your standard rear view mirror. But what's nice in a van this size is to have that digital rear view mirror. Nothing will ever block it. So if you got passengers back there that might block it, they won't block the view of the digital. So it's actually a camera mounted back there. It's got a household outlet right here and a 12-volt power outlet, plus USB outlets. All new steering wheel for this year with controls so you can talk on your phone's hands-free. This one has cruise control and adaptive cruise control. So both cruise controls. It's also got forward collision, which is a safety thing, blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, and then I think a crosswind aid there. Big van, if you get a big crosswind, it's nice to have that. So these buttons back here control the rear heat and air conditioning system. And then we've got power mirrors that are also power fold-in mirrors. That's nice. So yeah, that completes this video demonstration of this 2022 Ram ProMaster with the rear entry mobility system on it. So if you're looking for one of these, give us a call. This one might not be available by the time you catch this video, but don't worry, we have ability to make more, to produce more. So if you're interested in one of these, just give us a call. We'd be happy to let you know what the current pricing is and availability of this type of vehicle. Again, great for business use. We sell a lot of these to mobility companies that transport people all around as their line of business. So if that's you, we can definitely aid you in helping you succeed in that way. So thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon and solve some mobility needs that you have. Take care.